Hello guys, welcome to the class. Today we are learning where animals live. Okay, are you ready? Okay guys, so it's time to start the class. Okay, so today we are learning where animals live. Observe the picture please. So we have 4 different places: desert, ocean, jungle, and forest. Okay? So observe the desert. Number 1. A lizard lives in the desert. So observe where animals live. Okay, guys? Excellent. Now, a lizard lives in the desert. The next place, ocean. Fish live in the ocean. Wow! Observe, there are fish in the ocean. The next one, tigers. Tigers live in the jungle. Okay? So, these beautiful animals lives in the jungle. Okay? So, and the last one, forest. A deer lives in the forest. Okay, guys? Yes? Okay. Excellent. Now, it's time to continue. In the next activity, we have to listen. It's a listening activity. Okay, guys? Yes? So, we have to listen and we have to do the exercise. One more time. Okay. Look, listen and read, then circle. In this activity, you have to listen, read, and then circle. Listen, please. Listen.
Student's Book, page 102, Activity 15. Look, listen, and read. Then circle. Animal habitats. A habitat is the place where an animal lives. The forest is a cool, dark habitat with a lot of trees. Deer, raccoons, and foxes live there. Forests cover 8% of the planet. 6% of our planet is desert. It's hot in the day and cold at night. There isn't much rain, so it's very dry, and there aren't many plants. Lizards and snakes live there. The ocean covers 71% of our planet, and the water in it is salty. Many kinds of fish live in the ocean. Other animals live there too, like whales and seals. It's hot in the jungle, and it rains a lot. Monkeys, colorful birds, and butterflies live there. There are tigers too. The jungle covers only 2% of the planet, but 50% of all plant and animal species live there.
Okay, guys? Yes? Are you ready to answer? Listen again, please. Now, we have here 4 habitats, okay? The forest, the desert, the ocean, and the jungle. Okay? Listen please, again.
Student's Book, page 102. Activity 15. Look, listen, and read. Then circle. Animal habitats.
A habitat is the place where an animal lives. The forest is a cool, dark habitat with a lot of trees. Deer, raccoons, and foxes live there. Forests cover 8% of the planet. 6% of our planet is desert. It's hot in the day and cold at night. There isn't much rain, so it's very dry, and there aren't many plants. Lizards and snakes live there. The ocean covers 71% of our planet, and the water in it is salty. Many kinds of fish live in the ocean. Other animals live there too, like whales and seals. It's hot in the jungle, and it rains a lot. Monkeys, colorful birds, and butterflies live there. There are tigers too. The jungle covers only 2% of the planet, but 50% of all plant and animal species live there.
Great, guys. Are you ready to answer? Yes? Okay. So, the first one, we have to check the number one of the first habitat is this. The forest is a cool, dark habitat with a lot of trees. Deer, raccoons, and foxes live there. Forest cover 8% or 28% of the planet. Yes, it's 8%. Okay? Number two, 6% or 60% of the planet is desert. The second is desert. It's hot in the day and cold at night. There isn't much rain. So it's very, very dry. Muy seco and very hot. So it's very dry. And there aren't many plants. Lizards, snakes live here. So what is the correct number? 6 or 60? Yes, it's 6. The next one. The ocean covers 21%, 71% of the planet. And the water in it is salty. Many kinds of fish live in the ocean. So the water in the ocean is salty, salado. Other animals live there too, like whales, very, very big, and seal. So what is the correct number? 21 or 71? Yes, it's 71. And the last one, the last habitat, is hot in the jungle, and it rains a lot. Monkeys, colorful birds, and butterflies live there. There are tigers too. The jungle covers only 2 or 12% of the planet, but 50% of the overall planet and animal species live there. So, 2 or 12? Yes, in this case is 2. Excellent. Excellent, guys. So, these are the habitats in which animals live. Okay, we have 4. Forest, desert, ocean, and jungle. Okay, so we have to continue with the next one. Are you ready? Excellent. So, we have to see what is the next one. Oh. We have to continue, but okay. Now, in this slide, you have 4 places. You know what are? No? Okay, you know what these are. We have 4. Now, listen and match. Listen again, please. Listen.
Workbook, page 82, activity 12. Listen, read, and match. 1.
It's hot and it rains a lot. Monkeys, birds, butterflies, and tigers live here. The jungle covers only 2% of the planet, but 50% of all plants and animals live here.
2.
It's cool and dark in the forest, and there are a lot of trees. Deer, raccoons, and foxes live here too.
3.
Lizards and snakes live here. There aren't many plants because it's very dry. About 6% of the planet is desert.
4.
The ocean covers 71% of the planet. Many kinds of fish live in the ocean. Whales and seals also live in the salty water.
Okay, guys, now we have to check the answer. Are you ready? Okay, listen again, please.
Workbook, page 82, activity 12. Listen, read, and match. 1.
It's hot and it rains a lot. Monkeys, birds, butterflies, and tigers live here. The jungle covers only 2% of the planet, but 50% of all plants and animals live here.
2.
It's cool and dark in the forest, and there are a lot of trees. Deer, raccoons, and foxes live here too.
3.
Lizards and snakes live here. There aren't many plants because it's very dry. About 6% of the planet is desert.
4.
The ocean covers 71% of the planet. Many kinds of fish live in the ocean. Whales and seals also live in the salty water.
Okay, guys, are you ready to check the answers? Are you ready? Okay, that's great. So, the number 1, okay? It's hot and it rains a lot. Monkeys, birds, butterflies, and tigers live here. So, is the letter, oops, is the letter D, okay? Is the letter D. Okay, guys? Okay, excellent. The number, because this says, it's hot and it rains a lot. Monkeys, birds, butterflies, and tigers live here. The jungle covers only 2% of the planet, but 50% of all plants and animals live here. So is the letter D. Great. Number 2. It's cool and dark in the forest, and there are a lot of trees. So what is this one, guys? Is the letter? Yes, D. Deer, raccoons, and foxes live here too. So is the letter B. Excellent. The next one, number 3. Lizards and snakes live here. There aren't many plants because it's very dry. So, and the complement is the letter, yes, it's letter 8. About 6% of the planet is desert. And the last one. The ocean covers 71% of the planet. Many kinds of fish live in the ocean. And the correct answer is letter C. Whales and seals also live in the salty water. Okay, guys? Yes? Is correct? Okay, so we have to continue with the next one, okay? Yes. So let's continue with the next activity. Are you ready for the next one? Yes? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Great, excellent. So we have to, answer the next one. Okay, so the next activity, watch the video, where do your favorite animals live? Observe and listen the video. Are you ready? Great, listen.
Animal habitat. Today, we will learn about animal habitats. You live in your home. Do you know where this squirrel lives? Ah, and where do other animals live? Just like you have a house to live, so do plants and animals. A habitat is a place where an animal lives. In other words, the natural home or environment of a plant, an animal, or other organism. Habitats provide the animal with food, water, and a place to live. There are many different types of habitats around the world, from grasslands to forests, and from big mountain slopes to large deserts. Different habitats are shelter to different animals. When we speak about an animal's or a plant's house, it is more like a neighborhood than a home. An animal needs mainly 5 things to survive in its habitat: food, water, air, shelter, and a place to raise its young ones. Different animals require different amounts of space to live in. Habitats can be large like a forest, or they can be small like a burrow. Some big animals defend a huge territory or roam over a large area. Some other animals need only a small amount of space and can put up with neighbors that live close by. Oh, you are very much interested in learning this. Great! There are some common habitats where animals live. You can place this chart in your room so that you remember it. Now you know that different animals live in different types of houses. Some animals are so clever that they make their own homes. Here are the common names of animal homes. Homes of birds. A bird's home is called a nest. Most of the birds make nests from grass, leaves, fur, lichen, and mud, or from paper, plastic, and yarn. The home of a rabbit. A rabbit's home is called a burrow. Rabbits dig burrows to live in. The home of a mouse. A mouse lives in a hole. Mice dig holes to live in. Home of a spider. A spider's home is called a cobweb. It spins a cobweb to live in. The home of a honeybee. Honeybees make hives to live in. The home of a lion. A lion lives in a den when a mother has very young cubs. Mostly, a lion lives under shady trees. Home of a snake. A snake's home is called a hole. We make homes for domestic animals. The home of a cow is a shed. The home of a dog is a kennel. The home of a horse is a stable. And the home of a hen is a coop. Now you know a lot about animal homes. Animals are our friends. We should take care of them. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and be kind to everybody. Bye-bye.
Excellent, guys. Excellent. So, are you ready to continue? Yes? Okay. So, now, what are the activities for this week? Observe, please. Observe. Hello. For this week, you have these activities. The first one, watch the class video. This is the video. The next activity, do the homework for this week. Is Acervo Escolar, editor de curso. It's important to mention this. A partir de esta semana, chicos, van a tener ustedes ya sus tareas en plataforma. Las van a buscar, por favor, en Cervo Escolar, nuestra plataforma, en la parte derecha, donde dice editor de curso. Ahí es a donde van a tener ustedes sus tareas. De la plataforma de Cervo Escolar, las actividades, ¿de acuerdo? Las que van a tener que estar mandando cada semana a sus profesores. ¿De acuerdo? Okay, that's it. And the last one, do the Pearson platform homework. Please remember that you have activities to do at Pearson platform as homework. Okay? Well, guys, that's all for today. See you soon. Nota importante, por favor, ve el video para que puedas contestar tus actividades de la plataforma, tanto de Pearson como de Cervo Escolar. ¿De acuerdo? See you soon. Goodbye. Have a nice day.